If you are trying to screen record on laptop, I'm going to show you two applications that will help and are completely free. So first thing first, if you would like to Google and just to be on safe side, you can type in screen recorder for your Windows 11 or 10 if you are using Windows 10. It will suggest you various applications. Bandicam has a watermark in it, so I do not recommend this, but OBS Studio is good. In my case, I'm currently using two applications for screen recording. One is Streamlab Desktop. As you can see, I'm currently recording my screen on this one. And this is the same as OBS Studio. You can simply capture your display, and everything that is inside this green square will be recorded. And likewise, talking about OBS Studio, this is very easy as well. Launch your OBS Studio. Everything that is inside this red square will be recorded, including your screen. This will be your audio mixer. If you are using OBS for your screen recorder, this will be moving itself according to your voice pitches. And if you see on controls, you will see settings. You can also set some hotkeys for OBS Studio and simply press on the hotkeys if you would like to start recording or stop recording. So guys, these are the two software that you can use, which are completely free. You can also find it in your Microsoft Store. Let me show you what I mean. Type in Microsoft Store and then simply search for OBS. And this OBS Studio is completely free. You can go ahead, click on install. I have already installed it in my device. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.